Hello there, welcome to our free video lesson, How to Fight a Traffic Ticket. Win in court today. Our video lesson is going to focus on how you can fight that traffic ticket you just caught, how to win in court today, how to avoid any future tickets. We're going to cover it all. But before we get into that, I want to welcome you to this video, invite you to join our free e-course on how to beat a speeding or traffic ticket, packed with tips. We've helped thousands of motorists. We can help you out. www.trafficticketsaver.com. Alright, let's get into the free video lesson today. Now, I know a lot of you probably already have a traffic ticket, but just for next time, first of all, you need to identify it's a genuine police car when you get pulled over. Pull over quickly to a safe area, turn the engine off, roll down your window, and place your hands on the steering wheel. Give the officer the documentation he requests. Be nice, be polite, do everything he says. Don't be angry, don't be mad, don't start accusing him right away. Alright, these are things you should never say to the officer. Never admit your guilt. When he says, "Do you know why I pulled you over?" say, "No." Be firm. Never say, "Oh yeah, I think I was going 10, 15 miles over the speeding limit." Once you say that, you're locked into your ticket. There's not a whole lot you can do. Provide simple yes and no answers. Never attempt to bribe the officer. I know that's common sense, but I mean, a lot of people try to do it and it gets you in a lot of trouble, and you just can't bribe the officer. That doesn't work. Alright, now once you get your ticket, look over the ticket for errors. It is possible that the officer could make a clerical error on your ticket. If this is the case, your case is usually dismissed. It does happen a lot of times, so make sure you look over the ticket very carefully. Now you see on the right hand side here, this is probably what your citation looks like. Little yellow sheet of paper. This is what a lot of people get all over the United States. Could be a different size, could be a different color, but more than likely this is what your citation looks like. If you want to learn more, check out the free e-course www.trafficticketsaver.com. We have proven traffic ticket saving methods. We've helped thousands of motorists from ever paying a dime. Let us help you out. It's very possible. Just a lot of people don't know this information. Check out www.trafficticketsaver.com. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.